G'day guys, Dan here from Epic Drives of Western Australia. Well, I was planning on going for a stand-up paddleboard down at Point Walter today, but there's an all-day sea breeze sou'wester that's began yesterday and it hasn't relented yet, so it's blowing an absolute gale down there. So I've made a last-ditch decision to sort of head further up the river. We're going to go to a place called Fish Market Reserve, which is in Guildford. So we'll chuck the board in there and see what we find. Valley on West Swan Road. So this is sort of the main drag in the Swan Valley for all the sort of it's like miniature down south. You've got microbreweries and there's chocolate factory and all that sort of stuff that you do find down south. Lots of wineries, yeah, we're sort of about 5 minutes away from Guildford, and well, Guildford is well, it's an extremely old town, and we'll maybe perhaps have a drive around once we're done and look at some of the architecture and that sort of thing. If you're a regular to my channel, I've made a slight departure from what I normally do. Just giving it a shot, because basically there's heaps to do around Perth and I don't really ever film that. So and you know, we spend a lot of time just doing stuff around Perth, but you know, I'm a fan of if it's free and you know, I've got a bit of time on the weekends, then you know, why not head out and just do something with the family that's out of the house. So that's sort of my plan, and you know, so it's still outdoors, just not so much solely focused on four-wheel driving. I will still be four-wheel driving, that's pretty much my biggest passion in life, but sort of just also looking at things that are around Perth, and I guess compiling like a top 10 of various different activities around Perth, which are all, you know, based around outdoor activities, and generally speaking free. And ideal for, you know, individuals, but also, you know, people with kids like I've got. The boys are there. Say good day, boys.
Hi. Hi.
So yeah, shortly be there, and hopefully it's a good day. The weather's beautiful. It's just windy.
Let me tell you that it's not a good stand.
So normally during the week this place is a ghost town. You can park wherever you want, but today obviously a lot of guys in their little tinnies and stuff come down here because it's just too windy everywhere else. So we'll find a spot to park. See if we can find a spot on the river too. And can't complain, it is a Sunday. So we just started up the river, and it's a fair bit of boat traffic, so we'll just stay close to the shore and we'll paddle upstream. I know a nice sort of spot where we might sort of go to the shore and have a quick flick of the rod, or the rod, on the board. And the cool thing about stand-up paddleboards is you can fit passengers on. So this board, I've had 2 adults and 2 kids. It's a bit squishy, but it still works.
Sometimes all I hear is that clock ticking. I close my eyes and I find myself slipping. Back tearing pages out this notebook, gripping up no shots cause ain't no see what I mean. Yeah, and then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all them good times and nights that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I return. Yeah.
Wind's still pretty strong, but we're getting by. And someone's having my rod, it's giving it a flick and needs a service. That's a bit of a bummer. There is some, I think there's a few bream in here. There's a lot of little white bait splashing around in the water. So yeah, around Guildford at the moment, I reckon it'd be pretty good for a flick.
Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision to check along and surface in light. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will, but love it, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah.
And we'll slowly make our way back now. Had a nice little trip. We've probably only covered, well, maybe half a K each way up the river, just cruising. I mean, right now I'm not even paddling, and we're just sort of going with the breeze, which at the moment is towards the shore. But nice little section for a paddleboard when it's windy, because despite the fact that we've got wind here, I think at the moment the wind speeds on the beach is about 28 kilometers an hour. So, well, I mean, it's nothing like that here. So keep that in mind. I might even try and do like a bit of a sort of adventure from as far up the river as I can go, past sort of, well, I guess up, well, not far from here really. You can't really get in it for a paddleboard up at Bell's Rapids or anything, but yeah, might be a bit of an adventure. Anyway, we're heading towards shore rapidly.
Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I've returned.
So that's it, that's Fish Market Reserve. Tried to put the drone up, but it is in a no-fly zone, so unfortunately couldn't get any sick aerial footage of it. But nice joint, and been here a few times, and ideal when it's real windy because we're so protected here. It's fairly far inland, pretty much as far as you really want to go. If you've got a boat, you can get further upstream and you can go right up through Guildford and stuff, but a nice spot because you can easily get the boat in. It is quite busy, I mean, especially on a Sunday, so it's a bit of a queue, but nothing like what you get anywhere else. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Anyway, I'm Dan. This has been Epic Drives Western Australia. Catch up.